The Oscars celebrated film, but unofficially celebrated fashion. Hey, it's Keri Lumm with Buzz 60, and there were plenty of trends from Oscars fashion that we can copy, or not. Plunging gowns were all the rage, but not just plunging necklines. It seems as though backs to dresses are simply optional, which makes the whole undergarment situation a mystery. Cate Blanchett's gown was adorned with tiny flowers. Maybe she was jealous of the Cinderella gown she didn't get to wear. And Brie Larson wore ruffles on the skirt of her blue gown. Of course, frills weren't all done right. Heidi Klum looked like she took a time machine to the 70s for her gown. Kate Winslet came in a dress made from plastic, but was it fantastic? I don't know how we can copy this, but it looks like a great way to avoid spills at an after party. And Jared Leto decided to wear a corsage instead of a tie. Somehow, I don't think this is going to catch on with men of America. Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.